Taking a look at Bitcoin from the previous video, we can see that Bitcoin has had a major rejection off of the 382 retracement. So if we take a fib from the all-time high down to where we put the low in March, we can see the 382 retracement is right at 87,800, which is the price that we were unable to clear and resulted in us turning back to the downside. Now, you can also see that the downtrend that started back in January is also still holding right on top of that same 382. And the even steeper downtrend that started in February is also holding in that same area of the 382. So it would appear that depending on when the time comes for the downtrend to break, it may be sitting on the 382 in both instances, as you can see just in March and obviously back in April. So in order for Bitcoin to confirm a bottom and a larger move up, we would have to get over the 382 and the downtrend, which at this time is 87,800, and the downtrend over here is about 88,000. So as long as Bitcoin remains below this level, technically the sellers can still come in and push the price lower. If Bitcoin is able to break over this level, then we would be looking for a move up to the next fib, which would be potentially 91,000 and 95,000. In my opinion, if Bitcoin is able to break over 95,000, then we would actually be looking for a new move up to these higher levels at 120 to 136 at some later time. However, as long as we're below 95,000, there's actually no guarantee that these prices will get hit. And as long as we're below 88,000, one would make the case that Bitcoin still could have another move to the downside. Obviously, if we break the low, then we would be looking at 70 to 74,000. So if Bitcoin can break over 88,000, that would invalidate these lower prices, and a larger move up to 95,000 would be in play. And obviously, if we're unable to get over 88,000, over 88,000, then 95,000 is not in play, in my opinion.